everyone, welcome back. Dr. Morepen blood pressure monitor machine. Let's see its unboxing, review and demo. So the model is BP-02 and the MRP of this product is 1360, but we got it from Amazon for 899, 34% discount, and this product comes with 2 years of warranty. And in the box you get 4 AAA batteries and the instruction manual. And this is our main monitor machine. So first we have to put the batteries into the monitor. So open the back cover, insert the 4 batteries, close it, and this is ready. And here is the pressure cuff. So plug the cuff tube into the socket on the left side of the monitor. And now the machine is ready to use. Roll up your sleeve, wrap the cuff on the bare arm about 1 to 2 centimeter above your elbow, and keep the tube pointing downward. Sit comfortably and just press the start button, and the cuff inflates gently. It doesn't hurt at all, and around 25 to 30 seconds you get the readings, systolic, diastolic, pulse, everything super clear and large. And this has the memory function. This machine store up to 99 previous readings. So overall, it's a good product. You get free batteries, 2 years of warranty, 99 reading memory. The only problem is there is no power adapter included. It only run on the batteries. And the second thing is the cuff might feel a bit tight for bigger arms than 42 centimeter. Overall, at 899 you get accurate, reliable and super simple BP machine, perfect for home use. So give it a try and subscribe for more. Bye bye.